idea.
Well, let's go find things.
What's the first objective we're shooting for? Red barrels.
Yeah, I mean, there's 7 of them. We don't know where they are. We got to find them.
Okay, this little homo 3-ounce thing?
Yeah. Did you say homo?
I did. Yeah, I thought. I'm like, sir, are you over here? Yeah, there, guys, the road point covered.
Kevy, where are you?
I just passed them too. That white van, works right over.
Let's try and get up to the mosque, or the Fort Apache if we can.
M32.
Good copy.
Being at the worst, we've got movement, southern parking lot. 15.
That guy's right here at M32.
Tango's at M32.
Can't see him, be advised, car on the road.
Push up to M30.
We got eyes on right, check it out.
By the no left turn sign.
1 Tango at Apache.
We're heading up in the area of the Worcester right about now. We've got a squad weapon locking us down on the road right now.
We got 2 at Apache. There's one in the little groove. Come on, guys, push up. Watch it, watch it, watch it. Still got one up there. Oh, hit. Do you guys need help over by Apache, or are you alright for now?
Probably shouldn't get this guy at M32 or whatever.
We
fought against it. That dude just come to slot. It's still pegging people.
Just on the west side.
Okay. Maybe we'll...
I think that's got to be the same guy again.
do a little...
He's got a good...
I think we're better off, like, maintaining a lot of pressure on that side because we're away from their respawn.
Yeah.
You know, and trying to crack into the southern parking lot over there.
Like I said, you know, there's still the guy in the north of the slot. So
right.
Still getting these guys. The guy, kid, I didn't say he's got an AK maybe? Okay.
That's a little bonus action today.
I kept hearing him, like, what the hell is that? He's on the other side of this. Now watch out, there's somebody in the woods that just got hit that too.
Hit! Shit. Pressure as we can, trackside all day. Being that it's as far away from their respawn as possible, we probably got our best chance to crack into the southern parking lot on that side.
There's a lot of people walking.
Yeah, but the road itself, there's been like no one on it. A lot of the guys.
Rob.
Yeah, they got two guys like in the road
I'm
area.
overlooking the southern junkyard now. I just took trackside down here. I'm all by myself. I got about 3 bogeys I can use.
Good copy. I'll come that way with a couple guys.
Truck starts coming down the road, guys like right next to the truck shooting.
Chris, where you at, homie?
I don't want to shoot at the truck.
You want to have a visual on M29? I'm right behind you, about to come over the hill. What do I got?
I mean, we can make it to like.
Roadside, be advised, you got about 5 green coming down the road as a little pack passing the boat on the road.
Eric, straight ahead of you on the west side of Apache. There's 2 guys in there. Driving Charlie, we're at M29 on the northern side. If you want to come over the hill, we have a visual on the other side. Roger, brother. Brian, I can't see anything on that side of the Apache.
Looks like we're up to like the war surface. He's right behind the war surface.
I mean, I don't know what's going on. Not that I don't see it.
Watch out! I saw someone inside the main.
Oh, there's anyone down there. Stop.
All right, a couple of you guys go straight, and a couple of us,
I'm going through the
we're going to cut through the...
on the course, boss. You just tell me where to shoot. We did also too before the day started. I did have a lot of the green guys that were new. I had them actually walk the field.
Yeah, I saw that.
Goggles on, so I could maybe be helping them. Maybe.
Rob, myself and 2 others are cutting through the center of the maze, and we're going to get up to Apache and then back you up. Shit, we lost Rob. We didn't get here fast enough.
He was beyond the road, so. Would be wise to. Train coming out of respawn, heading down the road a bit. I'll back you up, Sid. Abby, Sid, hold tight.
Still coming in right across.
Watch it, S6. You got one behind the red Mustang, the flipped Mustang. Come on, guys, let's push a couple guys up to Apache. We need Apache. Good copy, Brian. As far as you have a bogey in and around S6 and or the flipped upside down Mustang.
Guy by the blue van, there's guys right to your left.
Kevin, watch out! They're shooting at me from the path as well.
Okay. Are we looking down this way? Okay, never mind. I'll answer my question.
Tango at S3. There it is. Yep. Got him. S3 down. Got him.
Here's still at M29.
Oh, I got 2 actually.
Underneath that tree. He was there earlier. I don't know if he's still there.
Good copy.
One bug out.
One bugged out. Cut up that way.
We got guys on the path.
There's a guy like right down at the
Alright,
base here, right by that.
this is Strive. I just
Gotcha.
Charlie with somebody. I'm back by the satellite dish. Now I'm going to start walking back south. What we got going on?
Hey. Warchild +3 are up at Apache trying tenuously to hang on up here. Oh, just lost one.
Guy probably was at that barrel wall. There's also, I've seen one other guy down there too, kind of laid out in the brush, hiding.
Ryan, there's a guy in and around like S6.
Yeah, in the brush.
Yeah, if you could take him out, that would be big. We got a little toehold here. We got to try and hang on to it. Kevin, Voyager, and one at S12. Oh, one at S12, one behind the blue Voyager. Guy in the trees is down. Still one at S12 and the Voyager.
Right over here.
Yeah, it was kind of like behind that flipped Mustang.
He's right, Sally coming out at M28.
Good copy.
Contact, did you get that? White flag, right side of the road, down about halfway down to the respawn of the sniper, over.
Okay, Rob. You got one guy right there at the corner of the minivan. See him?
Yeah,
like peeking. And there's a guy behind S12.
You got another one coming up the road.
Yeah, there's a guy behind. He pops up occasionally. He doesn't really have the range to get up here.
That's it. Sam, be careful, man. We can't lose you right now.
Max 12 just moved by his partner there.
Contact there, Apache.
How many guys we got up at Apache, Ryan?
They got me chuckled. This is Rob. I'm going to be moving there too soon, Todd. We lost it back there. I'm pretty sure they got it.
What?
Yeah, sorry, guys.
Not
They
yet.
pulled me out of my hidey hole over there. I'm respawning now.
What?
Was Rob talking about an objective or an area of control?
Yeah, just holding toward Apache. I mean, we kind of need to do that so we can launch from there into the southern.
Yeah, I mean, 'cause we push them back to the road, almost to the fucking
I'm
boat.
trying to fucking do that again. Digging the sweet jam. Oh yeah.
What does that mean to me?
Are you two going to go to Apache?
Yeah, we'll go.
Okay. Apache guys, we got two coming your way. Bane, Warchild are pushing right down the center past the no left turn sign.
I got your back, Chris. Todd, I'm pushing up behind with you guys. David, Dan, where are you getting contact from? Todd, drive. I am now just in the truck in the center of the maze, southern side.
Good copy.
He said that we have some stuff deeper in the southern parking lot, but still over here. Alright, copy. I'm moving up near the cattail. Copy that. Be advised, this drive, I'm in the center of the cattail southern side.